What's the motivation?
Um, Actually, gusto ko talaga mag-expand internationally, right? So like, syempre gusto ng businessman na maka-take over ng mundo, malabas mo yung products mo all over the world, right? Then meron akong opportunity dito kasi may family na based in Adelaide. So siya yung magiging contact person ko sa Australia. So, family trust naman. So, cousin siya ng wife ko. So, he will be handling the business dito sa Adelaide. So, I can go back to the Philippines and handle it from there. And just go back, visit.
So you have a very successful business in the Philippines,
Thank
which
you,
is yung
thank
MN plus LA. And then you want to branch out to Australia,
Correct.
Adelaide.
Correct.
Bakit Australia?
Australia kasi, I've been here twice. It's my third time here. Tapos, nakita ko na I like the people first. Gusto ko i-serve yung community ng Australians. I've been sa iba-ibang continents and I find Australians to be very balanced. I think balanced sila ng personality na parang gitna sila ng Americans and Europeans.